Hello all and welcome to the online class of UAP Global School. This is our class 4 of Unit 2. In our previous classes, we were discussed about the fibers that we can obtain from the plants. In that, we mainly discussed about two plant fibers, that are cotton and jute. Now in this class, we will discuss about the animal fibers. As we know, animal fibers are the fibers that we can obtain from the animals. There are two main animal fibers that we use regularly in our daily life, that are wool and silk. In this class, we will discuss more about those animal fibers. So let's start about today's learning. In that, the first animal fiber is wool. Before going to start about wool, let's see what is the importance of wool in our daily life. Most of the people use sweaters and rajas in winter, right? Why they use only wool for making these things? Because wool has a property that it doesn't allow air to pass through it. After cotton, wool is the more used fiber in our daily life. If we ask why wool is more used fiber in our daily life after cotton, we will get the answer for this question in the properties of wool. Let's start the discussion about the properties of wool. In that, the first one is wool is flexible. That means wool is very convenient to make various styles of clothes easily. Now the second property is wool can absorb moisture and dirt easily. This property we can observe while washing the woolen cloths. If we soak a woolen cloth and any other cloth in water, woolen cloth will absorb more water. Because of this reason, woolen cloth will weigh more than the other cloths after we soak them into water. Now the third property is wool is flame resistant. That means we can use wool to stop the fire. If we think how it is possible, there is a reason for it. That is, wool doesn't allow any air to pass through it. Because of this reason, if we keep a woolen cloth on a burning object, that woolen cloth will stop the oxygen flow. So it will stop burning. These are the properties of wool. Now we will discuss how we can produce this woolen fiber from wool. In that, firstly, we have to collect the fleece from animal. Usually, we get this fleece from the hairy animals like yak, sheep, camel, Kashmiri goat, and Angora rabbit, etc. We remove the fleece from those animals, and this process of removal of fleece from the hairy animal is called as shearing. For doing the shearing process, we use some instruments called clippers. After the shearing process, these bales of wool will be packed, and then these bales of wool will be transported to a mill for cleaning and combing purpose. This cleaning and combing can be done by a machine. After this cleaning and combing process, these wool will be spun to form fibers. Later, these fibers will be woven or knitted to make cloths. Like this, we can process woolen fiber from wool. And with this, we finished the discussion about wool.